I want you to start a YouTube channel today after watching this video. I mean today, not tomorrow. As soon as you're done watching this video, I want you to start a YouTube channel. So I want to show you 4 reasons why you need to jump on YouTube right now. I will tell you my favorite reason why you should start a YouTube channel right now. I won't stop at that. I will show you how to start, important things you need to know before you start that will make sure that the moment you start, growing and getting monetized becomes so easy. And finally, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for the month of June, how much one of my channels made for me this month. So let's get into it. Why should you listen to me? I've been on YouTube for the past 4 years, creating and growing channels. I have 4 different channels that are doing well. Not only that, I have also helped over 500 students start, grow, and monetize their YouTube channel. I actually have a student with over 200,000 subscribers who is earning thousands of dollars every single month from YouTube. The student has gone on to build a business outside of YouTube that is pulling in cash. So let's talk about the reasons why you need to be on YouTube. The first reason you need to be on YouTube is because YouTube is the new resume, the new CV. If you have knowledge, skills, experiences, and you're looking to build a global brand around it, YouTube gives you that platform absolutely free. YouTube showcases you to the world 24/7 at zero cost. So whether you are a student, you stay at home mom, you are a 9 to 5er, you have a business, or you don't even know who you are, you are yet to discover yourself. YouTube will help you showcase your knowledge, skills, and experience. YouTube lets you start from where you are at zero cost. Not only that, with a YouTube channel, you become Googleable, which means when people go on Google to search your name, they will find you, they will find your videos, all thanks to YouTube. So yesterday, I bought this laptop without keying any information about me at all. I went on to ask who is Chiamaka Okoli. So when I searched who is Chiamaka Okoli, I want to show you what it showed me. I searched who is Chiamaka Okoli. Look at this. Look at the information it gave me, my pictures, every information about me. Now, if you scroll up or down, you're going to see everything it has to say about me. Like you can see that all thanks to YouTube. And these are the things you gain just because you have a YouTube channel. So if you are tired of hiding, you are tired of not having an online presence, YouTube is definitely the first place you need to start because it gives you all you need. The second reason you need to be on YouTube is to make impact. If you love to help people with what you know, if you love to impact life on a global scale, then YouTube gives you the global visibility, the global platform you need to reach the world with just a click of a button. So say, for example, you are good at cooking and you want to share a lot of delicacies, everything you know about cooking, various ways of preparing different delicacies, different meals. You want to share your recipes with the world. You just need to create the video once. People will watch the video from different parts of the world. Create it once. You begin to make impact non-stop. Even in years to come, this particular video you just recorded today will continue to impact lives. So yes, if you love to make impact, stop sleeping on YouTube. Jump on YouTube because YouTube is going to give you global audience you need to make impact. People from over 100 countries get to access your knowledge, get to learn from you, get to know you, like you, and trust you just because you are on this platform, just because you have a YouTube channel. The third reason you need to be on YouTube is to build influence. This is actually one of my favorites. With a YouTube channel, you move from nobody to an authority in a very short time. Here's something I love about it. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to be one step ahead of others. You just need to know something a lot of us don't know. And then you jump on this platform. Then you grow as you go. Yes, a lot of people you look up to, a lot of people you admire right now started with zero knowledge. I mean, they just came over here. Some of them are even doing trial and error. Just a handful of creators are already expert before jumping on this platform. A whole lot of other creators you look up to right now, you love, you admire, started here. They built in the public domain. I mean, they started learning and keep learning as they go. This is to tell you that if you want to build influence, you want to be an expert in your field, jump on YouTube because YouTube will give you that platform you need to grow and then become that authority. So here's the reason why YouTube is the right place to build influence. Videos convert. People prefer watching videos to reading text. So with valuable video, you consistently create valuable content, videos talking about you or whatever the topic is. With time, we begin to see you as an authority, as an expert in that field. If, for example, you make videos on dream interpretation and you're good at it, you keep interpreting dreams. I watch your video today, the next day, and the next. I keep seeing new videos from you, and these videos are valuable. The moment we talk about dream interpretation or somebody that has that gift of dream interpretation, your name will come to my mind. That's how influencers are made. Because I've watched your video over and again, and you keep giving value every time I come in contact with your videos, I begin to see you as an authority. I begin to see you as an expert in that field. And this is the reason why you need to become a YouTuber. This is why I want you to create a YouTube channel today after watching this video. Finally, the fourth reason you need to be on YouTube. This is my favorite, and the reason is income. If you're looking to make money online, you want that platform that will pay you real money every single month, then YouTube is the platform you should jump on right now. So this is how much I made from one of my channels in the last 28 days. So this is what I made in the last 28 days from one of my channels. It's actually part of what I earned in the last 28 days from one of my YouTube channels. What does this tell you? There's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. The moment you begin to create content and you're giving value consistently, you begin to grow your channel. You will make a lot of money because there are so many ways we make money on YouTube. We have the ad revenue, which is the one YouTube pays us at the end of the month. We have brand deals. We have merchandise, which is sales of your own product and services. We have membership. There are so many ways you can make money from your YouTube channel. Even if you have a full-time job right now, you can start YouTube as a side hustle. Keep growing your YouTube channel. It starts growing, it gets to a point, it makes more money than your current job. You can resign. Now, this is one thing I love about YouTube. You work at your own pace. You put in as much work as you want. You earn as much money as you want. No pressure. You are the one that decide what you do on the space. The truth is that a lot of people that are changing the world right now, people that are making impact, building influence, and executing projects, most of them are creators. And the reason is because there's no limit to how much you can earn for yourself. There's a lot of money to be made. And that's why I want you to jump on this platform, because I'm very confident that if you start and you give it your best, you will grow and you'll get monetized. Now, let's talk about how to start YouTube channel the right way to grow fast and monetize. The first thing is to pick a niche with high demand, high interest. If you're going to grow a YouTube channel, the biggest secret is to make sure that whatever you're talking about is something a lot of people are interested in, because you're creating the content for people. So when there's demand for that which you create content on, a lot of people will watch it. You have higher chances of getting views, getting subscribers, growing, and getting monetized. So if one of your goals for being on YouTube is to grow and make money, you should not just do any topic you want. You want to do your research. Make sure that the topic you want to start creating content on is something that solves a real problem and there's demand for it. So the moment you figure this out, the next thing is to go on and create the channel. As soon as you're done creating the channel, please optimize your channel. Growing a YouTube channel is a lot about optimization. Letting YouTube understand who you are, what you do, and who your videos are meant for. This optimization will help your videos to be discoverable, your channel itself to be discoverable. So I made a detailed guide, a video showing you exactly how to optimize your video or your channel in a way that YouTube algorithm easily picks your video and start recognizing it. This is the video. It's published on my first channel. So the link is contained in the description of the video. You just need to connect with my other channel and then you're going to learn a lot. Go on and watch the video and you'll learn a lot about channel optimization. Once you're done optimizing your channel, the next step you want to take is to batch produce. Why I recommend you batch produce is because your first few videos might not get you the kind of views you expect. But if you have 4, 5, 10 videos ready, whether the first one is getting views or not, once it's time to upload the second one, because the video is already available, you go on and upload it. And with consistency and continuous promotion, you will start getting views on your videos. But before this, you need to learn to create videos. You really need to learn how things are done. There are a couple of skills you need if you're going to succeed on YouTube. We have video creation, video editing, design, thumbnail design, and channel growth, which is video marketing. You need to learn these things if you're going to grow your channel really fast. I cover a handful of them in my free videos, but I also have an online course where I teach all of this in details with step-by-step guide. If you'd love to know about that, let me know in the comment section and I will send you the link. Once you've mastered this, the next thing is to go on and batch produce your videos. All right, with all this put in place, consistency, you are going to grow your YouTube channel Finally, you also need to learn to promote your videos. If you upload video without making any effort to push it out, it's not usually that easy to start getting views immediately as a small channel, as a new channel. And that's why I recommend you go on to promote your videos, you push your videos to get more views. Now, I made this video here talking about how to get views, how to promote your videos. In fact, in this particular video, I talked about 10 places where you should go and promote your videos, 10 free places to promote your videos to get more views. So the video is published on my first channel, Chamaka Okoli. You can go there and watch it and learn how things are done. That's basically how it works. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to start your YouTube channel today, and I will be here rooting for you. If you got value from this, please give this video a thumbs up. And yes, I would like to connect with you. So go on and subscribe to the channel for more of those valuable content. See you in my next video.